Hey team, gosh, it really was raining cats and this morning. And as I was sitting in my car, watching the rain come down, I was like, what is it like for you guys when it is raining? For me, I love to just come out here and play with my darts. But as you can see, I don't really have much time for that, because every day I'm out here in the workshop on my laptop, writing, creating and publishing content. Joking life. And when things get too tough, why, hit a wall. I remind myself of these people out there that wish they could do what I do. Just like there's people out here wishing that they could do what you do, that they had your strength, your ability, your awesomeness. So if you find yourself needing to reframe your thinking, jump out there, get some secateurs, pick up a frisbee, throw a dart, and be proud of who you are. Stillness.